Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, measurement of solute concentration. So, in the measurement of solute concentration, we can measure the solute concentration by tonicity. What is tonicity? Tonicity is the osmolarity of a solution with respect to the plasma osmolarity is called as tonicity. So, if you compare an osmolarity of a solution and if you compare the osmolarity of with the plasma, then we have tonicity. So that means, for example, if you take 0.5 NaCl is isotonic, that is, it has the same osmolarity as that of plasma, whereas 5% glucose is initially isotonic, but whenever there is peripheral uptake of the glucose, this glucose is actually metabolized by peripheral uptake, and thus because the glucose is metabolized, there is decreased glucose, so the solution becomes hypotonic. So initially the 5% glucose is an isotonic solution, but later it becomes hypotonic solution.
thank you and thank you for watching.